Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome to an unboxing of a product that I have been waiting for months. And I know that this just came out, but I have absolutely, without question, been eyeing this MacBook Pro down to the T. My goodness, I have been looking at every single video for the rumors of what's going to be upgraded over the M3, what is new, what's not, and finally it is here. I pre-ordered it and we finally have it in-house. So I just wanted to take you guys with me and just sit back, get your snacks, get your drinks, whatever you need. Let's make this a fairly short but also calm unboxing. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M3 Pro and 48 gigabytes of RAM. I also spec this with a terabyte of storage, just so I have future proofing to some extent. I didn't want to go crazy with the storage. A terabyte should be more than enough, but I will be having external storage come through as well. And my goodness, look at this. Hefty. All right, let me get this out of the way. So one thing I don't like is they did not change the packaging whatsoever from the M3s. So you can see here, it is the same box as the M3 Pro MacBook Pros. Also, look at this. Got a little bit of a... But, yeah, I wish there was some type of change at least, but I don't know. I feel like if you're spending the amount of money that a MacBook Pro costs, we should definitely be getting some type of change, you know? But nevertheless, I'm just happy it's here. We can see Apple logo. So as you can see here, the MacBook Pro 16.2, space black, 14-core CPU, 20-core GPU, 48 gigs of RAM, and a terabyte of storage. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Oh yeah, this is it right here, guys. And there it is. The beast of a machine is now sitting right in front of me. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right. Oh yeah, that has some weight to it. All right, I'm just gonna set this to the side. So here we got our MagSafe cable. Forgive me guys, I'm trying to get this to focus. So here we have our MagSafe cable. It's a USB-C to, I believe it's MagSafe 3 cable in the same color as our MacBook, which is space black. Really like that touch. And now we have our designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we have in here. Stickers, no stickers. Doesn't seem to be anything else inside. MacBook Pro. Nothing, not stickers, nothing. We got nothing. All right, let me just go ahead and put this back and I'll be back. All right, so now we have our power adapter. Which is, let's see if I can get it to focus, 140 watts. See through that paper. All right, and that is all we have in the box. set this to the side. Now, for the main unveil. I'm gonna flip this upside down. MacBook Pro. Oh yeah, this thing is cold to the touch. All right, and would you look at that? Wow. All right, so here we can see our I/O that is available. We have our MagSafe charger, 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports, and a headphone jack. And on the other side, it's a little bit more difficult to see if I can. There we go. We have a HDMI, 2.1 port, another Thunderbolt 5, and a SD card reader. All right, now for the first boot up, so I chose the normal glossy display. I did not go with the nano texture option. I do want to see it in person. I do have a return window for this machine, but for the most part, because I will mostly be working in controlled environments for the most part where I don't have a lot of light bothering me, I chose to go with a normal display. All right, now let me get this set up and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so I just somewhat, I guess, finished up setting up my MacBook, and now we are just waiting for it to finalize, I guess. But I apologize for the lighting conditions, but I just wanted to give you guys a much better look at how this MacBook would look, say at nighttime in a darker environment where I guess you could either control the light or, you know, you have no light. I definitely love the backlit keyboard. I mean, so much of an improvement over what I am coming from. And look at this screen, just amazing. I haven't even turned up the brightness. I haven't messed with anything yet. It is just out of the box. Looks fantastic. And the trackpad is amazing. Bigger trackpad, better typing experience, better screen. And on that initial boot up, I forgot to mention, the speakers are a huge improvement. I have yet to hear speakers on a laptop that rival the ones on these MacBook Pros. All right, I'll be right back with you guys once this is finished. We are finished with the setup, and now we're in. Look at this. Now this is the first time I'm seeing this wallpaper. Most likely going to change it, but it shows up brighter on my phone than it does. This shows up brighter on my phone than it actually is. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and increase the brightness here. Oh, that wasn't even half. This is half. So let's see what the max is saying. Yeah, that is definitely getting up there in terms of brightness. Now, if I open these curtains, I believe this should get much brighter. We are looking at, I believe, over 1,000 nits. Let me look it up actually. All right, so I just looked it up and I was right. It is now up to 1,000 nits of brightness outdoors for SDR, and up to 1,600 nits brightness in HDR outdoors, I believe, or just HDR in general. And compared to my previous laptop, which was it's currently sitting on my desk. It is a 2017 MacBook Pro. It is a 15-inch base model, And let me just say that laptop, I would still be using it if it didn't get messed up, but this is a huge, huge improvement. Massive jump. Please do not let all the tech YouTubers persuade you into thinking that this is like a very good jump, for a generation over generation. It is, but this is also for somebody that's not upgrading, say even every 2 to 3 years, this is a huge jump. The accumulation of minute changes adds up, and especially if you are coming from a Intel based MacBook or Mac in general, this is a huge improvement. So I'm looking forward to messing around with this MacBook in the upcoming however long, let's say a week or so, and potentially making an update video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Genuinely, let me know if you guys have any questions, if I should do anything in specific, if I missed anything, how I can improve content, whatever you name it. Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.